Mm. So good, so cold. That is the taste of a very, very, very cheap beer here in Nova Scotia. Well, I mean, it's just the Corona, Corona Extra beer, and I will tell you how much is it later in the video. But right now, we are enjoying these bottle of beers. What is up, mga Pips? You won't believe this. We just bought this box of Corona Extra beer, and one box has 24 bottles in it, and each bottle has 330 ml of beer in it. And the good thing, not only the good thing, the best thing about this is we got it at a very, very cheap price, that it costs only around $2 per bottle. So far, since we arrived here in Canada, we've been here for 3 years already. This is the first time that we bought a bottle, at least when you are going to calculate each bottle, at least one bottle of beer is worth $2. And the good thing here right now is there is a tax break for liquor, so that's why the price got cheaper. So from this was supposed to be $2.33. Now it's around $2.04. So we paid for one box. We paid around, how much is that? We paid $48.99 for this 24 pieces of beer, or one box of Corona Extra Lager beer. So this is one of the best deals that we got on for before New Year, because this right now we are filming this on December 31 of 2024, and of course later on it's going to be 2025. So I'm going to open this box and then let you see what's inside. So now I'm just opening it. Actually, I don't know how to open this one, but I'm just going to do my best on how am I going to open this. And oh, by the way, when you are going to buy beer or any liquor, please be a responsible citizen. Don't drink and drive. All right? If you drink, stay at home. Don't drive. Okay. There we go. Oh, right. Wow. So here you go. This is the Corona Extra. Wow. That's only $2 per bottle. So cheap, eh?